Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, you're welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. Alright, in today's video I'm going to show you a natural home remedy that would make your skin look better than it is right now. Okay, well, even if your skin is actually much more better, like you can actually use this to prevent wrinkles or to prevent fine lines. You can actually use it to glow your skin. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also leave your comments below. Please share this video and let's dive into the video. We're gonna be making use of avocado, guys. Now avocado contains astringent property and also anti-aging remedy that helps to leave your skin youthful and radiant. It also works in removing fine lines and wrinkles. It therefore goes into the pores and it actually clears up the pores, leaving the skin really smooth. So now we're just going to divide the avocado so we can get the avocado meat. Okay, so here it is, and for this remedy I'm actually not going to be using all of it. I'm actually going to be using just a little of it. Okay, so I'm going to be scooping all of this avocado meat into a bowl. Now it would be nicer if I use a spoon so I can scoop it out. After that is done, guys, you can just easily mash it. When your avocado is very ripe, it's not going to be difficult to mash. It's actually as simple as ABC. So I'm going to be mashing it and I'll be right back. Okay, and also we're going to be needing egg in this remedy, because egg is a natural skin tightening agent. It's going to help in leaving the skin super duper glowing, and it's going to also help to remove wrinkles. It is an anti-aging remedy that works wonders in shrinking the saggy skin, and it also helps to tighten up your pores. So for the egg, I'm going to be breaking in the egg, taking in 2 tablespoons of egg whites. You need the whites of the egg. And let's stir that up a little. We're also in this remedy going to be needing parsley leaf. You can either use parsley leaf or cilantro leaf. Okay, now this natural spice is great for healing the skin. It's great in removing fine lines, and it also works in getting rid of age mark. Using parsley leaf on the skin would evenly get rid of dark spots, pimples, and age-related problems like sagginess of the skin, because it helps to firm up the skin. Now we're going to prepare the parsley leaf. We're going to be needing a blender to blend the leaf and get the juice out of this leaf. Alright, so I had to blend the parsley leaf in a bigger blender, okay? So it can blend. So I'm gonna be sieving some of the juice in here. And then we're also gonna be making use of honey. Honey is a natural skin boost, is a natural skin moisturizer. It works deep into the skin and it's therefore leave the skin youthful and radiant. It helps to remove age spots. It works in getting rid of stubborn skin, therefore softening the edges of your skin, allowing product to get into your skin. And the next one, I'm going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of honey. Now we stir. Alright guys, so you have to patiently stir this because mixing avocado and egg whites, man, it's just like a difficult thing. So I'm going to patiently stir this, and for this guys, hey, so here it is. It's looking so green, like so green, and it's actually beautiful. And it smells good. It smells avocado. So I'm going to be applying this using this brush, okay? So apply it on your face with the help of a brush or your hand or whatever you want to use in applying it. And the parsley leaf juice is a spice that you can, eat, use it to cook and do all of those stuff. This is actually very tender to the skin, like so super duper tender to the skin, and it's actually very soft. So after you've applied it, you have to wait for like 2 to 3 minutes, okay, for the treatment to actually get into your skin. This is just gonna change your skin overnight, like seriously. Anytime I want to use avocado, in my treatment, I am super duper duper loving it, and I'm usually happy because it leaves my skin so super warm and so super radiant, so super warm and so super radiant. Alright guys, so after applying this, I would have to wait for like 2 to 3 minutes and I'll go wash it out. So you can actually wash it out with normal water or lukewarm water, and then you follow suit with toilet soap, okay? This is just going to like do all of the stuff, like all of the stuff you need. It's gonna get rid of all of the stuff, and when you sleep and wake up in the morning, you're gonna be like, oh, my skin looks very tenderly soft. Like, you can go try this and let me know how it is, because I know that it works really well. It's actually very simple, right? The ingredients are very simple, something you can get, and it does a lot of stuff, and it is really beautiful. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave your comments below, and also please share this video, turn on that bell beside the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye guys.